It is November 29th, and we had a stolen car the day before Thanksgiving in Pueblo, Colorado. And what the thief did not know is that there was a GPS tracking device on this vehicle. And it doesn't matter if it's a vehicle, boat, cars, trailers. I mean, we do recovery all the time, but this is the power of knowing exactly where it is. They were able to call the police, let them know not only what direction, what speed, what lane, exactly where it is. And you can kind of see the trip that it took. So it shows detailed history of every stop, start, route, speeds, everywhere this vehicle's been, and more importantly, where it stops. So the police can get on this immediately, catch the driver, and then as they're going to have the worst Thanksgiving ever in jail. So you're a fried turkey. So again, you can see the detailed history of every stop, start, route, speeds, what lane it's in, and exactly where it stopped. So it stopped at this abandoned house. This is where police were able to grab the car, obviously left the driver, and this is where they were probably going to either try to sell it, abandon it, whatever it is. So we are GPSandtrack.com, 800 578 1809.